Hello, good evening all. Audible Anna? Am I audible? If yes, just you can please comment. Ashok, hi. Okay, എല്ലാവർക്കും audible ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. Okay, yes, good evening. സൗണ്ടിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇഷ്യൂസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിലൂടെ അറിയിക്കണം. Let me check. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I hope it's audible. Okay. Shahib APSI. Good, good. Okay. So yes, so we can wait 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, I will continue with in English. Okay, so this live session will be both with Malayalam and English. Okay, yes, Divin Dev, hi. Okay, so we are planning for the next week, and now almost the mid of the August is almost completed, right? That means August 15th almost already completed. So we can expect a big moments in market because this is the mid of the month, and also this is the mid of the quarter also, right? I think this is the third quarter, right? So now it's almost 17th August, that is after the mid of the quarter. Okay, so we can expect big movements in the market, and even the gold we can expect a reversal in gold also. So we will discuss about that. So before starting the streaming, we will go to the Forex factory to understand the next coming news. Okay. Yes. Let me go to the Forex factory. I hope everyone know this website. It's a simple website where you can know about the news events. Okay, so let's go to the calendar. Yes, so tomorrow is 18th August, it's a Monday, and you can see there is no high impact news. Only there is only low impact news in US dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro, JPY, GBP. And after the 90 Monday, in Tuesday we can see there are some high impact news on Canadian dollar, right? CPI, median CPI, and trimmer CPI, that is on 4:30 p.m. Okay, after starting the New York market. Okay, and again we can see there are some huge news in New Zealand dollar, that is in mid of the week, that is known as Wednesday, August 20th. Okay, so we can see in CNY there is a medium impact news, and in 6 a.m. morning 6 a.m. in New Zealand dollar there's official cash rate, and the Reserve Bank of New Zealand monetary policy statements are there. Okay, and Reserve Bank of New Zealand press conference are there, and also in morning 10 a.m. there's a news in GBP, that's a red news CPI. Okay, and again if you are coming to the down, yes, there's a FOMC meeting minutes on 10 p.m. Oh, that's a very important, that's a meeting minutes, so we can expect a bigger movement in that market, right? So next, if you are coming to the Wednesday, Thursday, we can see again there are high impact news on Euro GBP pairs, and also we have unemployment claims, Philly Fed manufacturing index, and flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI. There are high impact news on coming Thursday, that is August 21st. Okay, so if you are coming to again to Friday, there are high impact news, right? So in US dollar, there's a Fed chair Pavel speak, and also we can see high impact newses. There will be no new informations, all the moments according to the speaks, right? So let's start the analysis. First we can start from which one, you guys can tell me where we want to start, Bitcoin or gold? Yes, Rashid. So we can start from Bitcoin, right? Yeah, so let's start from the Bitcoin chart. So here you can see my chart, that is in Bitcoin. So in the last 2 weeks we took two entries in Bitcoin, right? So both entry has it's the target. In the same fifth wave, we got two entries. One entry was from here and another entry was from here. Both the target is already done. Jamir Sheikh and Devin Devi, we are already, I'm already started from BTC. Sorry to say. Okay, so here we can see now the Bitcoin market is coming down. That is, now the price is 1,17,660, right? So what I am expecting is still this fifth wave is not completed. I am expecting this movement will act as a expanded diagonal. Okay, so that means you can see this is the wave I am expecting. And yeah, I'm changing the color. This is a blue color. Okay, so before it was a normal EURUSD movement. Now what happening? Market coming to this territory. Okay, so here we can see once market reaches this position, I am expecting one more biggest wave. Okay, that will be maybe reaches to $1,28,000. That is I'm expecting, but it will take time to complete this fifth wave, because once market started the movement, it will consolidate from this level. Then I am expecting one more movement from this level. Okay, so what I am expecting, as per you can see, there's an XABCD pattern, right? This is an XABCD, right? This is an 1 point. I think people who completed IM4, they know the value, right? 1.13. Let me, yeah, you can see there is an XABCD pattern, and also this is above 1, and XAB is equal to almost 0.618, and there are some values in 1.13, 1.272 values are there, so we can consider this as a 1.3. so same scenario we can see here, and there's a harmonics pattern also there. Okay, so what I am expecting, the last fifth wave, you can see in a higher time frame, we have already an Elliott wave 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Murray is in the fifth wave, right? So, and also you can see this was a huge consolidation movement, that the fourth wave was very highly consolidated, right? After that, now market is just breakout, just to break the previous all-time high, right? So the next wave I'm expecting, it will be as a extended or expanded diagonal. So the next movement I am expecting like this. Okay, so it will take time, maybe next 7 to 14 days we can see this movement. This is only my assumption, but before that you can see there is 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and also now market is created a double top pattern, so it is to manipulate the retail traders. So what I'm expecting, this double top is will act as a what, as an XABCD or harmonics pattern. So what I'm expecting, I'm expecting the reversal from 115,646 levels. So once market reaches here, we need to take confirmation, then we can go for a buy. But it will better to go for a 15 minutes trade, or only take small movement from this wave. Okay, because that's better, because once market reaches this price range, we can expect the reversal. After completing this wave, market will again correct, then only market will move this movement. It will take time. Okay, because it's a final wave, so this wave will take time to reach the target. Okay, so always make sure that you need to take proper confirmation. From here also we can go for a small sell orders. You can see there's a bearish flag is forming. You can see people who know about our basic course, you can see there's a pole and bearish flag, so we can target. But going for a short position is very risky, because now market is already created a change of character here, so maybe directly market may create a higher high from here, or two possible movement, maybe market will come and fall, then we can expect this movement. Okay, so this is the analysis for the BTC. Okay, so next we can comes to the one and only gold. Okay, so what I am expressing, what you guys are thinking about gold, is it bullish or bearish? First of all, I want your reply from the comment box. So what is your expectation in gold in coming weeks or coming months? Market will bullish or bearish? I'm asking. What about Bivin and Shahib? What you guys are thinking about gold? Is it buy or sell, or is it bullish or bearish? Bullish, yes, nice. Jesus, it is okay. Bullish, oh, shorter, bigger, short, better. Okay, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Okay, bearish. Okay, bearish. 1 2 3 4 5 6 people are saying. How Ramshad saying 3202. Okay, there is a triangle pattern in daytime. Yes, I saw already, but what I am asking in, I am only telling in 1 hour time frame, what will happen for the coming week? That's my question. Bullish, bearish, bearish. 3240. Who is Jit? Jit is saying the market will go to 3240. Okay, 3280. Okay, 3280. So that means you are telling that market will comes to the previous higher low, right? This previous low 3267. So you guys are telling market will comes to this price range. Okay, flag pattern also. Oh, where is flag? I don't know, I didn't see. Where is flag? I Oh, you mean this flag, right? In 50 minutes you mean this flag? Oh, this, it's look like a flag, right? Oh, yes, yes, yes. I hope you expected this flag, right? Okay, yes, bearish. So it's, I think it's a 50-50 chance. So now students are saying, some people are saying down, some people are saying it is upside. Okay, so what, as of, what about what do we say? As per my analysis, what I am thinking, the next market one I'm expecting. See, you can see my wave patterns. You can see here, and now it is almost completed the 16th and 15th August. That is the mid of the month and mid of the quarter, right? And you can see there's a huge momentum. There is a huge momentum, buying momentum, or a huge volume is happened on the last when the August month, starting of the August month, right? So you can see the first August is started from the opening candle is almost 3290, right? So what I am expecting is, according to my analysis in Elliott, what I am expecting, market will hunt and market will give a bull in coming week. So first, what I am expecting, there is a equal low you can see in the market. So according to me, there is a 0 1 2 3 4 5 wave is already completed, and you can see people who completed advance, you can see there is a correction movement already completed. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and 1 2 3 ABC correction is also completed. And if you check in 30 minutes, you can see there is an expanded flag, expanded diagonal is also. Now market is 0 1 2 3 4, maybe it will expand till this, no issues. Okay, so what I'm expecting, the next coming week market will hunt into the downside. Then what I'm expecting, there is a bullish movement. I'm expecting that will reach at least the previous high 3409. That is my expectation will for that next coming week. And also for my confidence, we can see there is a bullish flag. So some of our students told me that there is a bullish flag. This is my confidence. But maybe what will happen, market will, two scenarios we can expect. Maybe market will collect the previous high, then collect the previous week low, then market will continue to bull run. Okay, or market will directly collect the previous week low and directly go up into the upside. Or what we can see, directly in the morning Monday, we need to watch where the market is opening, then directly this movement is also possible in gold. So this is my analysis. That's a short term movement what I am expecting. But because of why the previous, now market is reached almost 0.5 of the previous moment, right? So if you check here, if you take the fib retracement tool, and if you check with the, right, almost this is the high, right? Now market is staying in 0.5. So what I'm expecting, after this fall market will touch the 0.618, then I'm expecting this bull run. Okay, so it is according to the Elliott wave concept. So this is the movement what I'm expecting for the coming week. Okay, so yes, Abdul Wahab, hi. It will touch 3359 and it will go down. Yo, 3359 and it will go down. Okay, so this is my analysis. if may market will continue to fall, no issues, but this is according to my analysis only. So I will go for the trade according to this analysis. Okay, so that means because market is created a equal low in the last two, you can see last 12th August market created a low, and again 14th August market is created a low, right? So market is created a equal low. Okay, so what I am expecting, market will collect the previous week low and will continue to upside. Okay, and I'm just, for your understanding, I am just removing the and just coming to the weekly time frame. So here you can see that the last week is like a bearish engulfing. So some people will think market will coming to the downside, but before that you can see in the starting of the 28th July, market was like, looks like a bullish flag. No, sorry, so like a bullish hammer, right? So this is a very demanded area. So what I am expecting, the same moment we can expect the moment once market reaches here, this moment, same moment we can expect. Okay, so this is what I am expecting. And next we can comes to the EURUSD. Okay, so don't trade according to my analysis. Okay, if you are in sell, focus on your own analysis. Okay, believe in your own analysis, because I am believing in my analysis, you guys also believe your analysis. Okay, I am just explaining what happening in Elliott waves and all the things, right? Yes. And now I am comes to the Euro USD. You can see in USD what I am expecting is, market is almost completed the fifth wave, but and now market is in a correction period, right? And you can see there's an expanded or a leading diagonal. So next moment what I am expecting is, market is already collected the Thursday previous day high, and what I am expecting, two type of movement we can expect. Market will directly collect the high, then fall, then one more movement we can expect. Okay, this is the moment I am expecting in Euro USD. Or there is another possibility is, market will break this trend line, then collect this point and will go to the position. So that time the 0 1 2 3 5 is already completed and 3 will complete, and again we can expect a 0 1 2 3 4 5 correction like this. This is the moment I am expecting for the coming weeks. Okay, and next we can come to the GBP USD. For the GBP USD, this is the waves that the last day, last week we already predicted this moment 0 1 2 3 4 5. It is completed. That was an expanded diagonal, and now market is in an uptrend market, right? In 2 hour time frame, we can see market is already collected the 24th high, right? It's just a collection. Previous old high is already collected. That's a liquidity point. Okay, and this is the change of character area, and internally you can see market created a low, right? That is not, I think you can see, if you check the 0.5, this is the 0.5 zone, this is the 0.5 zone, right? So two type of movements we can expect. Maybe market will do what, market will comes to this level and make a new high, or what we can expect, market will directly fall and market will create a, will comes to the same resistance zone. So this is the moment I am expecting in GBP USD. Okay, so next we can come to the GBP JPY. So according to GBP JPY, market is currently forming a pattern. It's a consolidation market, right? And also market is in this consolidation and making higher lows and equal highs, right? So we need to wait to break this pattern. And if you check the movements, maybe there is some truncation we can see. This is 0 1 2 3 4. Maybe market will break the previous high one more time, then we can expect the next correction. That will be a 0 ABC correction. The 0 ABC correction we can expect. Okay, maybe there is no need to break the previous high. Maybe some truncation will happen because of the pattern creation, and market will come directly comes down. Okay, that is a possibility in GBP JPY. And nowadays GBP JPY is very confusing, and market is very highly consolidated. Okay, and also we can comes to USDJPY. You can see in USDJPY, market is creating a sideways market, right? So for me, we can expect two type of movement. Again, we can expect, see, all the currency pairs are now is in sideways market. Okay, we can expect this market will collect the previous day low and it will comes to the support zone. Then we can expect this movement. And what's the another possibility? Market will directly break the previous high and market will comes to this level, and again market will comes to this level. So this is the moment I expect, and you can see there is a equal low. We can see it's a liquidity point. There will be lot of orders will be there in below of this low. So that's why I'm expecting this reversal from this 145.47, 145.50 level. Okay, so we can expect a reversal from this low. So the first time we can't expect directly will market comes down. Maybe market will collect the previous high and will come down, or directly market will come and create a low, then market will reverse this movement. So two type of movements we can expect. This is the blue and the black we can expect. XPD USD, actually, sorry, I will just send me a message. I will give you the analysis for the XPD USD, because I am normally not trading in XPD. I think it's Palladium, or I think, right? So if you send me a message in personally, I will give you the analysis, because I want some time to analyze, because we need to check on Elliott theory and what wave personality, all the things I want to check. It will take half an hour for me to analyze it. New chart. Okay, so TSK29, I don't know your full name, just send me a message. I will give you the reply through the WhatsApp. Okay, so next we are coming to the Euro GBP. So for the Euro GBP, we can expect now market is creating a like a wedge pattern. Okay, so what I am expecting, once market break this or it makes this change of character, this area will act as a sideways market. Okay, so we'll come this movement, and again we can expect this movement. So this important 86.5 will be act as important line or price for the Euro GBP, and once market clear the Euro CHSH, from here we can go for a buy from this point to this point. Okay, this is a good buying zone. Into this zone we can take a small intraday level trades, and after reaching this price range, that is a 0.5, that's a premium zone for this impulse. So market will again reverse, and if market again correct the previous low, again market we can expect to this price range. So this is the movement I am expecting in Euro GBP. And sir, Odish, and if market again correct the previous, so let me check the audio, give me 2 minutes. Okay, now I hope now it's cleared. Let me check. Okay, what about now? Now it is clear. Can you please check? Okay, now it is okay, fine, right? So in Euro GBP, we can expect this movement for the coming week. That is a consolidation market, and now we can comes to Ethereum. So in Ethereum, there's a important thing we need to check, that you can see if you check the Ethereum CME chart, you can see I already updated in our crypto community. We can see there's a gap in CME chart. That's a Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So in the coming week, what I'm expecting, market will comes to this position, then this area will act as support, then again market will continue up to up. Okay, it's a price range of 4186 to 4888. Okay, so there is a CME gap, so market will definitely hunt into that price zone. Okay, and if you check ATHUSD, what the same price range we can expect, where there is a Yeah, so in the same price level we can see there's a support level, and in 4 hour time frame we can see there's already market completed 0 1 2 3 4 wave, and now market almost completed the ABC correction 0 ABC, and again we can expect a 0 ABC. After that we can expect like a 5 wave, that is 335 correction 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after that we can expect from this price range we can expect a 5 wave that will be almost reach, I hope, for 5400. That will be the all time high. That is a all time high. See, the previous all time high is 4875. So this wave will complete for 5400. So this is the analysis for the Ethereum USD. Okay. So now we are completed Bitcoin, Gold, EURUSD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, Euro GBP, Ethereum USD. Okay, so almost 8 currencies, 8 pairs we already completed, and now clear, sir. Okay, oil. So if I comes to the oil, US oil. Okay. Okay, this is the moment we are expected in the last week. We expected to this price zone, but market, what happened, market reversed from the 0.5, right? Okay, market just came to the nearest 0.5, and again market rejected and create a lower low. Okay, so the same price range we can expect as a reversal whenever market comes to this price, and this is the August high. See, you can say this is a July 31st high, so there is a liquidity point, and you can see there's a huge fall happened. So previous strong impulse was in 59, that's a $60 level. So for the oil, what I'm expecting, market will comes to the previous impulse 50%, then again will hunt, then we can expect this moment to this range. So this is the moment I'm expecting in US oil. Yeah, correct. 30th May, and I think yes, this is the June opening price, right? This is the opening price of June. So this is the zone. We can expect the this is the zone. Market will hunt, and market will comes to 50% of the previous impulse. That is the same zone is, I think this is the zone, right? Yeah. Then we can expect a fall. Again we can expect from here we can expect a bull. First that will reach us to 67, then we can expect this price range. Then if I take this will act as, there will be a hunting into the this high. Okay, this is my analysis in US oil. Okay, so this is the these are the movement I am expecting in oil. So now we almost completed US oil. Silver it's let me go to the silver. See, silver is not mine. Will add silver. Okay, XAUUSD. Let me take XAUUSD, and okay, already added. So let's check the weekly time frame. Okay. Say low. This is high. Take daily. Market is already collected the Thursday low in Friday. There's a liquidity grab and equal low already collected, and then we can comes to 4-hour time frame. We can see there is a 0 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, 5 wave is completed already. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. Then we can check 1 hour, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and now market is 0 1 2 3 5. Okay, and if we check the previous, almost market is in 786. Okay, we check 7 236 already covered, again previous high collected. Okay, so let me add RSI to know the divergence. So no divergence. Okay, so here we can see, so let me go to 30 minutes. You can see there's a 5 it's almost completed. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. So next time expecting, yes, this A B C. So after completing that ABC, market will comes to the premium level, right? So once market reaches to that price range, so this is the price range I am expecting. Maybe market will hunt this price range. Okay, after that we can expect a one more fall. That will be again or a expanding diagonal or whatever it is. Maybe that will be an expanding diagonal. So here that time market will collect this low, that is a liquidity zone. Then after that we can expect one more buy after coming to the equilibrium of the previous trend, that is 0.5. Yes, perfect. This is the 0.5618 zone. Then we can expect a buy from here. So this is the wave I am expecting for the coming 2 weeks. Yes, clear. So this is the movement I am expecting. Can you please provide your analysis on AUDUSD? Srikumar, any old Srikumar, please keep your window lower side. Please keep your window lower side. Okay. Okay, sorry. You mean sorry. It's just now it's clear, right? So yeah. So this is the analysis for the silver. Okay, already market completed 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here market completed the 5 again 3 again. We can expect a diagonal. I think I hope you already completed the diagonal class in advanced. In our advanced course we already added a new syllabus. We already added in it is Eliot diagonals and wave personality. Okay, so if you did not completed your Eliot diagonal, you just schedule with your academic coordinators. So the classes you missed in Eliot diagonals you will get. Okay, so there are some lessons remaining in Eliot's, that is leading diagonal, ending diagonal, expanding diagonal, contracting diagonal. Lot of things are we have to complete, and also wave personalities. Okay, so if you didn't complete it, you just communicate with our academic coordinators, you will get the class soon. Okay, so if you are our advanced students. Okay, so Alirasa asked some questions regarding to, can you please provide your analysis on AUDUSD? Oh, of course I will take it. AUDUSD. Yeah, AUDUSD, let me start from the weekly time frame, and you can see in weekly. Yeah, let me go to monthly. Already previous month high collected and coming down, and here you can see market collected previous month low, right? Let me comes to weekly. Okay, then weekly, previous week already completed, and yes, this is very rich. It's a rejection zone, I think. That's why market rejected. Let me take daily. So in daily we can see there is an change of character. It's very consolidating market. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. 0 1 2 3 4 5 is completed, and again okay, diagonal 3 5. Okay, nice. 5 3 5 is completed. Okay, 5 3. Let me go to 1 hour. There's a diagonal formation is here, came to the territory, and ABC correction also we can see, and again a diagonal formation is there. See, the diagonals will be always available in the currency pairs. We can see there is a contracting diagonal. After that market fall, so the diagonal formation will be like this. This is also diagonal, and so this will be a consolidation market, right? So my next expectation is, and you can see there's a bearish flag is going on, and it's a bearish flag already break out. But the problem is this was a strong downtrend, a strong impulse, right? So for taking an entry, we have to reach at the premium zone, right? But if it, so just mark the 0.618786. Okay, and you can see again after the 535, again market is, so let me comes to 15 minutes. Okay, then we will get an idea. 0 1 2 3. Okay, now it's going for okay. There's an extension. Okay. Okay, what I am expecting is, after completing this diagonal mark, is there's a clean movement. 0 1 2 3 4. Sorry, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 I am expecting, but maybe market will hunt till this. This will be a okay. What I'm expecting is this will be a diagonal formation again. Came to the territory again. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, and again what I am expecting is there will be an ABC, sure, right? ABC, then again there will be a 5 wave, then this movement we can expect, then this will be the next wave. See here, you can see the second wave was very shallow, right? That means not sharp, it's very sharp. The second wave was very sharp. That time the fourth wave will be consolidated. Okay, that's why I draw like this. If the second wave is very deep, then the fourth wave will be completed within um, a few hours or time, within a time, and the fourth wave will be very sharp. Okay, so if you are following the Elliott wave, the wave personality means like, if the second wave is very deep, then the fourth wave will be not consolidated. Okay, if the second wave is very sharp, it's like a zigzag or it's a like symbol ABC, then the fourth wave we can expect that will be the consolidation market. Okay, though, so this movement I am expecting, then after that I am expecting a fifth wave like this. Okay, so yes, so I've already provided my analysis on AUDUSD. This is the movement I'm expecting, and now it's time to wind up the session, this live trade. So thank you for joining tonight, and wish you a good week ahead. Okay, thank you all for joining with the night, for this night, and we can see on the classes on live trades. We can see on coming Tuesday there will be live trade. Okay, thank you. Good night all.